Alright guys, it's the Silver Fox here. Hey, welcome back. I'm still sick again, and I am changing my washer fluid sprayer nozzles today before it snows again. We're getting a lot of snow and I need to drive safe. And in a previous video, basically what I said was I changed my washer fluid to -32, but there must have been some residual condensation or 32 above fluid in there, and it basically, this sheared off the nozzle there. Look at that handy little pocket where it can put stuff. So it basically sheared off, and then this one wasn't really working. It might have been frozen or whatever, but I tried to get it off, and guess what? It just disintegrated. So they both need to get fixed, and here's the part that you need. I picked this up for $40 together, or $41 with tax, and it's a Honda part 76810 TK8A01, and there's the part there. So I picked up two of them. If one's broken, you definitely, this car has been sitting in the sun, I can tell when we bought it used, because a lot of the plastic parts are kind of cracked or cracking, like those little rubber gaskets on the windows, like they're cracking. So I know this was parked outside before we bought it. But yeah, replace them in sets of two. I've always gone by that theory on gaskets or plastic parts, that kind of thing. So I'll leave an Amazon link if you guys want to buy it through there. I think there's other like Honda part places online, and I noticed I think they're $10 a piece, but their shipping takes a while, and Monday's gonna be Martin Luther King Day, so I would be probably waiting a week to get these. And I have a Honda dealership nearby, so I was like, I'll just pay a little extra and get them, so I can be safe the next couple days. But yeah, find one of those Honda part dealerships that they're close to you. Like there's one in Arizona that had the cheapest shipping, so it was 10 each, and then $5 shipping for 25. But like I said, I'd have to wait like a week to get it, so all depends. But basically, if you guys are doing it yourself, so you pop your hood latch here, right? And then this is going to come free a little bit, and then you're just going to go like that and open the hood and put your arm up there. So basically, and I've already taken this off because I was trying to figure out why they were broken, but you see these tabs here? If you can see it, they're going to be inside of the hood. You see that my tab's broken, but you basically pinch in the tabs and it raises up. And you also have to like slide it off of these hoses. And when I slid mine off, like look, it was so like heat rotted or whatever, so fragile that it busted out. And it left like plastic particles in here. And what I did was just like crush them with my finger. And then I shot the rest of the plastic out with more washer fluid. So it's a clean line now. It's not going to get stuck with whatever plastic crap's in there. So yeah, let's put these bad boys in. It's going to take me 2 hands to open it, so bear with me. Let's see here. I might as well just open both of them, huh? Alright guys, so here's the 2 new ones, and you can see like the nozzle nipples or whatever, like that's important, you know. Maybe even just buy these brand new and switch them out, because you don't want these to break when you're not around town. So you go here and you see the 2 holes, that's where they're gonna go, and they have little indents for the, oops, Crap. Well, I just had one roll down, so like no editing, right? I'll find it, but all a part of doing it yourself. So there it is, and that snaps right in. And then I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, obviously, but you see here, I'm just gonna put it over the nipple there, and it should be good to go. It's all snapped in. And guys, I'm not too worried about finding that, because I don't think it traveled too far. It might even be on the snow. Let's hope it's on the snow. I'm sure I'll find it either way. I'm not seeing it. Alright guys, well, you do the same thing for the second one there, and then obviously just test it out. Test your lines out. But that's how you do it. I just want everybody... Ooh, there it is. Look. Ooh, I got lucky. Look at that. Alright, 1 second. I'm gonna put it... Well, I gotta put it on the car, right? So we got the nozzle there that's pointing out, and we gotta put this one in. Sorry, my hands are kind of cold because it's like 30 degrees out. And you just push it down, snaps in, doesn't move anywhere, and they're both pointed out, so that's what we want. Oops. No littering, no littering, no littering, and no littering, and anybody? All right, so I'm gonna need 2 hands to put that on. Bear with me, guys. All right. So that one's connected. We got lucky and found it. That one's connected. And just want to make sure this is connected too, huh? They look fine, but... All right. And I always just double check just in case. Looking good, looking good. Like I said, paid $41. Not really my mistake, but maybe it was, who knows. So let's see here. Let me close this, and you guys can see with me if it worked or not. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't, but... Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, sorry. My car's a little dirty. It's what happens when you don't have a car for the month. And you stop taking care of it because the engine broke. Alright, guys. Moment of truth here. Oh, dang, look at that. And it works even better than the first ones, obviously. Like, the spray coverage is a whole lot better. I used to just spray here and spray there. So, look at that. Sweet. And I don't know if they would charge any money at the dealership for that, but who knows. But any guy, any gal can... Maybe I'm upside down here. Any guy, any gal can fix that issue. And like I said, let me just call out the part number just one more time. Your Honda dealer will, can look this up. But it's 76810, T as in Tango, K as in Kilo 8, A as in Alpha 01. And I believe this code is good for 2011 to 2013 or 14. Double check with one of those like online Honda parts suppliers. But I feel like this can maybe go to 2017. Just look it up because there was conflicting information when I was looking it up. But we have a 2012, and look, we're rolling safe. And that's a really clean windshield, so I'll take it, guys. Mission accomplished. All right, drive safe out there. Take care. See ya.